What is going on YouTube? Today we have an awesome little 1/43rd scale drift car from HStar. This is the D43 and the finish on this is 01Q. Now from what I hear, this is supposed to be a really good drift car, like really good, really controllable. So I'm super excited to check it out. It has headlights, taillights, even has underglows. Also has a gyro and it has road wheels. So not the ones you kind of like stick on the wheel. This has actual wheels and tires that you can change out on this thing. So that is awesome. Checking out the color options, which is plentiful, I must say. You can see all these colors we have here. We got red, blues, greens, grays, whites. And also this must come in a GTR flavor, but I have not seen these yet. But I have seen plenty of these. I have the Q1, which comes up as yellow here, but trust me, this thing is far from yellow, let me tell you. So let's get it unboxed and check it out. Now I won't lie, I already took a sneak peek at this thing because I couldn't help myself. And also Steven from RC Experts, was like, dude, you gotta open and check this thing out. I wanna see it as well. So blame him. I usually freshly open these RCs up for you guys, but yeah, we had to see what this thing looked like. Looks like we have the instructions here, but I can't read them. Maybe they're in English inside. Oh, there they are. There's the English version. All right, so we will go through these later. All right, so get ready for this thing because this thing is awesome. I already seen it, but oh man, every time I look at it, it's like striking. It's not really chrome, but it is. It's like a dark chrome. I really like it. I don't know. Check out that carbon fiber though. That carbon fiber roof. We got some carbon fiber there. This thing is pretty slick looking. That is for sure. Now included with the RC, you get a nice stack of cones. They are humongous. And there's those road wheels I was telling you about. These are really nice. They do come included with extra screws in case you lose them. You also get a Phillips screwdriver and a USB charging cable. And last but not least, you got this transmitter here. It has steering trim, gyro settings, lights, a high and low speed, and an on and off button. The transmitter feels really good in my hand, has a nice carbon finish here. And also, you can add a foam grip to the wheel. So that is nice. Really nice touch.
Soy.
God damn! Man,
all right, so before I go and take this thing on a walk, let's start it up and see how it turns on. And check out the headlights, tail lights and whatnot. You can see the headlights here. Really nice. Gyro's working. There's the underglow. It also has brake lights, I believe. Yep, it has brake lights. So that is cool. Let's check the speed. All right, that's low speed. And that's high. All right, so we are out here at a skate park. And I'm here because this skate park has a nice smooth surface on the concrete. It is polished. So this is probably the best surface for this type of car. All right, so yeah, this thing does drift pretty nice, I gotta say. Perfect surface for it too. A lot of control. Oh, just hit the cone there. Wow, a lot of control. Have to dial in the gyro just a little bit for your surface, but once you have the gyro dialed in, it is really good. Wow, this thing is awesome. Oh man. Ooh, got a cone there. It's so quiet and smooth too. I can say without a doubt that this is a really good one. Perfect donuts. Nice. All right, dude, this thing is awesome. Woo! Got stuck on a leaf.